It is maintenance day. What I'm doing here is changing the hydro oil fluid. These are the hydros. This is Scag VRide 2 36-inch. That's officially 500 hours, 503 hours, I believe. It's pretty clean. So all you have to do is take this little bolt off. I believe it's a 21 millimeter, and then use a 22 wrench to help you unscrew it and tighten it. Pretty straightforward. Take out the cap here so it drains out quickly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and there's a filter underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off as well.